With rising costs of living, isolation, and an ever-looming pandemic, it's easy to understand why so many people are seeking mental health care in Canada. But increased demand puts increased pressure on the system. For Esther Obage, she feels lucky that she was able to see a counselor at all.
I think I had the opportunity to see one because I'm a student. What about people who are not students, people who are working? How easy are they able to, get access to this, services?
According to the Canadian Community Health Survey released in January of this year, about 43.8% of Canadians that use mental health care resources say that their mental health needs were only partially met, if they were met at all. Dr. Chris Perlman, an associate professor at the University of Waterloo, says this could be for a number of reasons.
The first would be knowing where to turn if they do need support. Where do I go, right? To my family doctor? Do I have to go right to a hospital or an emergency department? The other is knowing whether or not support's even going to be available.
Access is a key issue. One proposed solution is online-based mental health care. Those in need can receive counseling services remotely, removing a lot of the barriers previously preventing them from accessing the help they need.
I think it's a step in the right direction. Those opportunities for health professionals to engage with patients who may be further away geographically or in outside of standard hours could be really helpful.
Obage, who received her care virtually, says that in-person sessions are essential to the process.
You can't take away the body language. You can't take away the way the person, you see the person really comforting you, depending on the case. You can't take away that.
Supporting both online and in-person counseling, the Ontario government announced in February's budget it would be adding $425 million to their 10-year, $3.8 billion mental health plan, increasing the base funding for online community-led programs by as much as 5%. For Spoke Online, I'm Cameron Mahler.